Here's live, very extreme electrifying thunderstorm, Waking Town, weather forecast, UK, 23. Like, so yeah, push the funds at left side of the screen right now. Dynamite distance at the moment is 23 p.m. in the afternoon. Arrow, that's approximately 23 minutes past 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and it is December the 12th, Tuesday, 23, guys. So it's very heavy thunderstorm, torrential one over Waking Town right this minute, guys. Coming in right now. It's actually a thunderstorm, I'm not joking. That heavy rain, guys. This is tense, man. This is tense, man. Rain there, guys. Look at that. That's tense, man. Might hear a bit of thunder in a few minutes, or you can see a bit of sheet lightning. I'm not joking. This is tense, man. This is tense, man. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel on Sunday Gems. This is my friend Sparking Jimbo. On ELECTRIFYING. Surrey Hills ratio every Friday, 3 to 5 p.m. And this is like 50/100 ELECTRIFYING, Surrey Hills ratio every Friday. And this is my friend John on the last show every Sunday at 9 to 12 p.m. live on the Wakey ratio every Sunday at 9 to 12 p.m. live. And this is my friend Shane for the years every 2 weeks on the Surrey Hills ratio at 2 to 3 p.m. on a Monday afternoon. And this is like 1400, 1500 every 2 weeks on the Monday afternoon on the Surrey Hills ratio. I hope you like this video. There are thunderstorms around the southeast for some reason, so I'm not joking. This is live right now. And I'm not getting thunder on it, or in sheet lightning, but this is definitely a thunderstorm cloud. Please subscribe to my channel on Sunday Gems with the full speed rejoice, because it's what we need to the many, outweigh the need to the few, because it's extreme. It gets when it comes to thunderstorms and heavy thunder with showers and rain, possibly Waking Town locally in the southeastern regions right now. This is tense, man. This is tense, man. Please subscribe to my channel on Sunday Gems. Let's watch the video. Bye, everyone.